a great choice today with the 2020 Hyundai Tucson. Boasting low noise and vibration levels and a smooth ride, the Tucson combines the rugged utility of an SUV with the maneuverability and refinement of a car. With its spacious interior, small never felt so big. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, front-wheel drive, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, power windows, power door locks, electronic stability control, alarm, rear spoiler. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.